Good morning, students. Today we're going to take our spelling pretest. It is for the news story of the week called Letters from Yosemite. Please open your notebook to the first available page, and in your table of contents you will write spelling pretest, and you would date it for 10/12. Once you get to the first available page, you will number your page from 1 to 25. And you can stop at any time, pause if I'm going too fast. What I'm going to do is say the word, say it in a sentence, and we'll repeat it one more time. So number 1 is, these are all long U sounds, okay? So you're actually going to hear the U in each word, okay? Usual, number 1 is usual. I gave the waiter my usual order. Usual. Number 2, huge. The hot air balloon was huge. Huge. Number 3, flute. Liz plays the flute in the band. The word is flute. Number 4, mood. Drew is in a happy mood today. The word is mood. Number 5, smooth. That is a smooth stone. Smooth. Number 6, threw. I threw the ball into the air. Threw. Past tense of throw. Number 7, afternoon. The sun came out by the afternoon. Number 8, scooter. I wear a helmet when I ride my scooter. The word is scooter. Number 9, juice. This apple juice is so sweet. Juice. Number 10, cruise. The cruise ship sailed away from the port. The word is cruise. Number 11, truth. Jim usually tells the truth. Truth. Number 12 is bruise. The ball hit me and caused a bruise. Bruise. Number 13 is cruel. Don't be cruel to your pets. The word is cruel. Number 14, excuse. Please excuse me for bumping into you. Excuse. Number 15 is pupil. Each pupil bought a book. Pupil is another word that means the same as student. So number 15 was pupil. Number 16 is groove. My bike's tire made a groove in the mud. Groove. Number 17 is confuse. The complex map may confuse him. The word is confuse. Number 18, humor. Judy has a fine sense of humor. 18 is humor. 19 is duty. It is your duty to report a crime. Duty. Number 20, curfew. Be sure to come home before curfew. Curfew. And these are your challenge words for the week. Number 21, influence. The teacher is a good influence on her students. Number 21 is influence. 22, aluminum. We put aluminum cans in the recycling bin. Aluminum. Number 23, nutrition. Good nutrition is important for overall health. Nutrition. Number 24, accumulate. It's easy to accumulate junk mail. Accumulate. And the last word is igloo. A real igloo is made of ice. Igloo. So you should have these done before we meet at 9:45. I will go over the spelling PowerPoint with you, and if you have not completed it, I guess you would have if you were listening to this. So I will see you guys at 9:45 to go over the PowerPoint for each of these words. Have a great day.